So, hello officers, am I audible? Comment whether I'm audible or not. Very good evening, officers. Good evening, good evening. So, am I audible? Apur Mishra, am I audible? Okay, so today we are going to see a very important lecture, that is ratio and proportion. You can put all your doubts in the doubt window provided. Either me or my team will be there to assist you with all your queries. So, what is ratio? Whenever a number is being written, two more than two numbers are written in lowest form, that is called its ratio. So that is the comparative degree. For an example, 45 for example 45 and 60 is not in ratio right now. 15 times of 3 and 15 times of 4, it's a ratio, so it's a comparative degree. So if it is, this is 3, this is 4, fine. So this ratio can be represented in the form of 3x and 4x. What is this? X is the HCF. X is the highest common factor, fine. X is always the highest common factor because that has been taken out. So any number can be written in the form of, so we can just say any set of numbers can be written in the form of HA and HB, where H is the HCF, it will be eliminated, and A and B are co-prime numbers. A and B are co-prime numbers. Clear? So ratio is representing the degree comparison between two identities or more than two identities. Clear? Okay. And what do you mean by proportion? Proportion means in the same form. For an example, let's say 20 and 30, 20 and 30, and 24 and 36. Are they in proportion? Let's see. 0, 0. So this is in the ratio 2 and 3. 12 times of 2, 12 times. Yes, they are in proportion. If they are in, so that means 20, 30, 24, and 36 are in proportion. That means the ratio of 20 by 30 is equals to that of 24 and 36. So that is called the proportionality degree. Fine. So let's start our question. So the very first question is this. Ratios are always co-prime. Ratios are always co-prime. Because if they are not co-prime, then they are not in proper ratio. Fine. So ratios are always co-prime in nature because you have to eliminate the highest common factor. And when a highest common factor divides the number, it will make the numbers co-prime to each other. Clear? So the ratios of maths, the marks obtained in maths, English, and general knowledge (GK) is 5, 7, and 8. So these are the respective ratios of marks 5, 7, and 8. There is a proposal to increase the seats by these are the seats. Increase the seat by this person. What will be the respective ratio of the increased seat? If something is increased by 40%, so it is becoming 1.4 times, or we can just say 140%. If something is increased by 50%, it is becoming 150%, or we can say 1.5%, 1.5 times. An increment of 75% means 175%. So this is the new ratio. So put ratio symbol over here. So eliminate this. 5 eliminated. Percentage is eliminated everywhere. 5 times of 30 and 5 times of what? 35. So again a multiple of 5, that is 28, multiple of 5, that is 6, and multiple of 5, that is 7. So 2 times of 14, 2 times of 3, and this is 2 times of 4. Multiple of 7, multiple of 7, multiple of, so that means the ratio will be 2 ratio 3 ratio 4. See, 2, 3, and 4 are co-prime. So that's your answer. You might be wondering, sir, 2 and 4 are not co-prime. Definitely 2 and 4 are not co-prime. But it's not only 2 and 4. So you won't be able to eliminate this 2 and 4. So they are co-prime. So they are having a only the highest common factor is being removed. Clear? So the ratio after increased part is 2, 3 and 4. Is it clear? Okay, next type. Acid and water are mixed in a vessel A in the ratio of 5 and 2. So we have acid and water and they are mixed in the ratio of 5 and 2. And in the vessel B, okay, so there are two vessels. Let's say vessel A and this is vessel B. We don't know the volume of this vessel. So in the vessel A, talking about vessel A, the ratio of acid to water in vessel A is 5:2. And in the second vessel, it's 8 and 5. Sometimes it's written acid water, then it is written by water to acid. So check that out, check that clearly. So acid is in the front and water. And such the ratio is in what proportion should quantities be taken out? So you should be taking this particular mixture in what particular ratio? In what particular ratio you should be taking out and mixing in the third container, let's say C, so that the ratio from the two vessels, so that to form a mixture which is in which the ratio of acid to water becomes 9:4. What is this 9 and 4? What is this 9 and 4? So 9 and 4 is the final ratio. That means you are taking some part of acid A, some part of A containers quantity and some content of B. You are taking in such a taking in such a ratio or such a quality so that the ratio after mixing of acid and water become 9 and 4. 9:4. Excuse me. So 9:4 is definitely the mean value. What is the basic method or the oral method is? In the first container, what is the percentage of water? So the percentage of water is 2 by 7 into 100. So that's 28%. Fine. So that's almost 28%. In the second container, what is the percentage of water? That is 5 by 13. 5 by 13 into 100. Now, this is almost equal to 28% and this is equal to what? 500 by 13. If I take 5 and 13, so 13 times, so it's almost 40% we can say. And it's almost 28%. So in what percentage they should be taken so that after mixing the ratio becomes 4 by 9. 4 by 13. 4 by 13 is what? Overall. Fine. So this is the basic method. What is the basic method? Water from the first part is 2 by 5. Water from the second container is 5 by 13. And overall water is 4 by 9. 4 by 13. So you can do this via this also, or else you can take the water part also, or you can take the acid part. This is deadly important pattern of allegation mixture. The concept of mixing. Fine. But this is so on how to solve this. So eliminate this 13 and 5, multiply by 65, 65, 65, the base will be eliminated. Rather than taking the allegation. Or else what we can do is, we can make it things easier. See what is the volume over here? 7. What is the volume? 13. And what is the volume? 13. Let's make it equal. I'm not making percentage out of 100. I'm making it equal. So 7 into 13 is 91. This is multiplied by 7 and this is multiplied by 7. It's up to you whether you are taking the acid part or the water part. The water part is a bit easier to solve. It's not calculative. So water in the first container is 26 units. Water from the second container will be 7 into 5. 35 units, and the overall water is 7 into 4, that is 28. See, in allegation the mean value shifts towards that end, where just like tug of war, in allegation the mean value shifts towards that end where the quantity is more. See, there are two classes. Suppose in your class, if boys are more as compared to the girls, so the average weight or the average marks, everything will be shifted towards the boys end. So that is what taken. So put allegation. Allegation means differences, taking the differences. 35 and 28 is having a difference of 7. This is 2. So this is the easiest method. So that means this is the concept. This is the means both the container were mixed in the ratio 7 and 2. That means 7 part of container A was mixed with 2 part of B. So 7:2 is the answer. Is it clear? It's a deadly important pattern. Fine. 7 part of. So what we have done is 5 and 2. Here the container, the ratio was 5:2. Here the ratio of acid and water was 8:5. Question has asked in what particular ratio they should be mixed, so that after mixing the ratio becomes this. So this ratio is after mixing, isn't it? So I have made the volume equal and I have put allegation. Fine. 13 into 7. So I have taken the water part. It's up to you whether you are taking the acid part or the water part. You will be getting the same result. Fine. Exactly the same result. Suppose if I take acid wala part, so acid from the first container is 13 times of 5 is 65. Acid from the second container will be 7 into 8, 56. And the mean value of acid is 63. Put allegation. 63 and 56 is having a difference of 7 and this is 2. 7:2. Either of the two you can take, but that is more convenient to take the easier ones, isn't it? Clear? So this is the most deadly important question of allegation and mixture, the concept of mixing. Clear? So we'll do this kind of questions more. Solve it. And you guys are there in the doubt group now. So are you guys solving the doubts of other? So do type Olive. If somebody is not there in the group, do type Olive in WhatsApp and text me. I will be adding you to the group of Quant. So I've created this group for your own benefit. Fine. You can ask doubts with each other. So you can see the doubts of other question. You can discuss the doubts and all. Fine. But type Olive or else I will be adding you to some other irrelevant group. Fine. Note down the number. Rahul gives a crystal diamond ring to his wife Vijayata on their wedding anniversary. However, the ring falls off Vijayata's hand and breaks into three pieces. So there was a diamond. Let's say this was the diamond ring, and this broken into three pieces, three smaller pieces. Fine, in these pieces. So the ratio weight of the broken part is 2:3, 2:3:4. Fine. And the ratio weights. So this is the ratio weight. Weight. Now question says the value of each piece is directly proportional to square of its weight. So price of a diamond is directly proportional to square of its weight. This is given. Clear? So due to this, that there is a loss in the breakage. So let's consider the total weight as a multiple of addition of this number, that is 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 9. So I'm considering the total weight was 9 units, letting this. So I'm considering this as 9. Why I'm considering 9? Because it will be easy to bifurcate. See, it will, if boys and girls are in the ratio of 5 and 7, if that is a multiple of 12, if something is multiple of 12, 5 plus 7 is 12, that it can be easily distributed. If suppose the number of boys and girls are 100, and the ratio is 5 and 7, you won't be able to divide this. 100 won't be able to divide in 5 and 7. Reason being the ratio is 12 units. Sum is 12 and this is not a multiple of 12. It will come in decimal and boys will not be in decimal. What you will say? That 17 boys, 17.5 boys, 17 ladke aur 2 dhad? Nahin. So it means this has to be a multiple. So what I am doing is, for the sake of calculation, I am considering the weight as 9 by seeing this result. Achha, if this would have been 7 over here, 7, 3, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, I would have considered 12. If it would have been 8 over here, 8, 3, 11 to 13, I would have considered a multiple of 13. So now it will be easy to break this number. Okay. Now, so what was the original price? So we can just say the original price. So original price of the diamond will be 9 square, that is 81 units, or 81x we can say. If the original weight is 9, so the price of the diamond is directly proportional to square of weights, that is 9 square, that is 81 units. And what about the price now? We have 3 diamonds of this much weight. This is having a weight of 2 units. 2, 3, 4 is 9 units. So 9 is equals to 9. So each unit will be 2, 3, 4. If this would have been 90, this would have been 20, 30, 40. So what is the price? So price will be 4. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. Why? Because the price is directly proportional to square of weight. And these are the weight. So it means diamond after breakage has become the total value as 29 units. This is the total price. The price of the diamond, which was 81, has become 29. The given value of the diamond in the ring is itna. Find the loss. So the given value is itna. So the given value is 81 units according to my question, my diagram. I considered 9. So the price was 81. According to the question, it's 24300. So 1 unit will be equals to 300. So the question has asked about the loss. So what is the loss? Initial price was 81 point and now the price has become 29 points. So what is the difference? So that is 52. So the loss is of 52 units. Fine. So if 1 unit is 300, so the total loss in rupees will be 52 multiplied by 300. 00615. So 15,600 is the loss due to breakage. That is option number D for that. See, let me explain this again. The price of the diamond was directly proportional to square of weight. I considered the weight as a multiple of 2, 3, 4, that is summation, that is 9. It will be easy to break 9x or 9 or 18 or 90 or 72, any multiple of 9. Now the price has become 29. Initial price was 81, which according to the question is 243. 1 unit will be 300, so the loss will be, so what is the new price of diamond? So 300 into 29. What is the loss? Loss is 81 minus 19, that is 29, that is 52 units. Each unit is equals to 300, so 52 into 300, that is 15,600. This is an easy one. This you can try, A and B are such that 5% of A equals 2 by 3 on B. What is the ratio of A and B? This is easy, so I'm not doing this. Concept of coins are important. Anmol had 10 paise, 25 paise and 50 paise coins. So he is having a coins of 10 paise, he is having coins of 25 paise and he is having coins of 50 paise. Fine. In the ratio of 10, 8, 9. So the number of coins are in the ratio of 10 ratio 8 ratio 9. So they are having the highest common factor as 1. That means they are in ratio. What is co-prime? Co-prime is if a number is having, if more than 2 numbers, or if 2 or 2 more than 2 number is having the highest common factor as 1. Fine. See, 16 is not a prime number. 25 is not a prime number, but they are co-prime to each other. Reason being, they are having a highest common factor as 1. Other than 1, nobody will be able to eliminate that. Fine. And now his money, after giving 20 rupees, to his mother, he has rupees 40. Anmol had this much coins. After giving 20, so what is the total money with him? So he gave 20 rupees to mom. So 20 plus 40, that is 60. Total money with him was 60 rupees. So convert this into paise, that will be more convenient. So 60 rupees is equals to 6,000 paise. I'm converting this into paise. So the question has given the ratios of coins, and here it has given total paise. So I'm converting everything into value. So let's convert this. 10 paise of 10 coins is equals to 100 paise. 25 paise of 8 coins will be equals to 200 paise, and 50 paise of 9 coins will be equals to 450 paise. So I've converted everything into paise. So according to my diagram, the total paise is 100 plus 200 plus 450, that is 750 paise. And according to the question, it's 6,000. So eliminate this 0, 0 eliminated. 1 point is equals to, or 1 units or 1 ratio is equals to 600 by 75. 15 times of 40, 15 times of 5. So that's exactly 8 times. So 1 unit is equals to 8. And if 1 unit is 8, so 8 multiplied by 10, this is of 80 coins are there. They are having 64 coins and they are having 72 coins. What is needed? How many 50 points coins? 50 paise coins. So 50 paise coins are how many in numbers? So 50 paise coins will be 8 units, 8 units, and each unit was 8. So that is 64. Fine. See, what is this 1 point? 1 point means 1 ratio. According to my diagram, it's 75 rupees. And question says it's 75 paise. And question says 6,000 paise. So my each unit is equals to 8, just like dollar and rupees. $1 is equals to 80 rupees. So 1 and 80 is the ratio. So that's the comparison. According to my diagram, so every unit is representing the real value of 8. So 10 into 8 is 80, 64 and 72. So that means 64 will be the answer. How many 50 paise coins did he have? Acha, 50 paise coins, sorry. 50 paise coins. So that is 9. 50 paise coins is this, okay? 72 coins. That was 25 paise coin. Clear? So 72, that is option number A. 50 paise. One is 9. Yes. Yes, Tanuj Sajal. Yes, Pushpendra. Yes, Apurva. Grishma C. The ratio was 10, 8 and 9. And the total money was given 60 rupees. That is the value which is given. So I'm converting everything into value. I'm considering that my piggy bank has 10 paise of 10 coins. That means 100 paise. 25 paise of 8 coins. If you are having 25 paise of 8 coins, that will be 200 paise. Now, if you are having 50 paise of 9 coins, you will be saying that I am having 450 paise. According to my consideration, see, I did not consider X. I considered they are 8 coins, they are 9 coins, 10 coins, 8 coins and 9 coins. So according to my consideration, if the coins would have been 10, 8, 9, so the total money would have been 750, which according to the question is 6,000. So we got a relation, right? My 750 is question 6,000. So my each point is questions 8. So my 9 point will be 72. Grishma, is it clear? So this is also the concept of mixing. Patils. Patils are from Mumbai. Tanuj Sajal. Subarnu. Don't tell me, Tanuj, that you are from Bengal. Yadav ji. Mishra ji. UP. বেঙ্গল। তুমি বাংলা পারো নাকি? তুমি বাংলা বুঝতে পারো, বলতে পারো তুমি? আমিও ওখান থেকে, খড়গপুরে। লখনউ, ইয়েস লখনউ। সি, হ্যাঁ পারি, ভালো, অনেক ভালো। লখনউ, সি, I guessed it right, right? Same from Kharagpur, Tanuj, Sajal. Where from Kharagpur? You are from my hometown. Where? In Kharagpur, where? Malancha Road, Gol Bazar, Inda, Jhapatapur, New Settlement, where? Jholi, acha, near IIT. Very good. Not exactly Mumbai, but nearby city. Oh, great. See how beautifully I guessed it right, just by noticing your names. The ratio of nicotine and heroin in four types of drugs of equal quantity is this. So this is nicotine and heroin is 2:3 in the first, 3:7 in the second, 4:11 in the third, and in the fourth we have 11:9. What is this? This is the four drugs. Fine. We have packets of four drugs, like 1, 2, 3, also four boxes we have in which there is nicotine and heroin, and these are the ratio. And they are mixed together. So they are mixed together and being kept in the larger box. So what will be the ratio of nicotine and heroin in the larger box? See, it's exactly the same pattern. Fine. So we have done this pattern over here. But in this pattern, it was mentioned that in what ratio they should be mixed, so that after mixing, the ratio becomes this. But in this particular question, they are asking that after mixing, what will be the ratio of nicotine and heroin? This is being asked over here. And the condition is they are mixed in the ratio of 1:1:1:1. Where it is given? It is given that equal quantities are there. That means equal quantities means if four things are equal, the ratio will be 1:1. So the volume over here is 5, the volume here is 10, the volume is 15, and the volume is 20. So let's make it equal. Numbers will be equal on their multiples. So multiple is 60. So 5 times of 12 is 60, 10 times of 3 is 60, 15 times of 4 is 60, and 20 times of 3, right? 10 times of 6 is 60, and 20 times of 3. So I have made it 60 each. So the ratio of nicotine and heroin will be what? In the first container, it will be 12, 24, and 36. See, what is the volume? Did I change the ratio? No, I didn't change the ratio. 2 and 3, 20 and 30, and 24 and 36 are representing the same. I'm making the container big. That's it. And this was 18 and 42. Did I change the ratio? No. 3, 7 and 18, 42 is the same ratio. This is 16 and 44. And in the last, it's 33 and 27. This is completely eliminated. So nicotine is, add all the values, 8 plus 4, 12, 6, 18, 3, 21, carry 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 7 to 9. So that's 91. Ratio, what about this? 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 7, 149. So 91 ratio 149 will be the ratio after mixing. Is it clear? In my hometown, I stay near Kharida Bazaar. You might be knowing that, Kharida Bazaar. Why do you take LCM? I didn't took the LCM, I made it equal. And how do you make numbers equal? By taking the common multiples. What is LCM? LCM are the multiples of common multiples of 2 or 3 or 4 numbers, isn't it? How do you make 3 and 5 equal? See why I am making this number equal? I am making this number equal because the question has already mentioned that you have to mix all of them, but the ratio should be equal. So how to make a number equal? Number will be only equal on their multiples, isn't it? See, if 12 and 15 is there, so how to make it equal? 12 and 50, you have to make it 60. If 5 and 8 is there, so how to make it equal? So on their multiple, that is 40. 40, 5 and 8 both can be made 40. So why I'm making this equal? Because the question has asked me to mix it in equal quantities. So that means that quantities has to be equal. So how to make this definite all the ratios equal? By making it equal number, 60, 120, or we can make 300, we can make this 6000. We can't make it 21, not possible. We can't make it 30. We can make this 30, 5 times of 6, we can make this 30, we can make this 30, we can't make 20 as 30. Is it clear, everyone? Kashun Gonlum. Kashun Gonlum. Is it clear, bacha? Why I'm making this equal? I'm making this equal because the question has directed me to make it equal. हर दुआ में शामिल तेरा प्यार है. Solve it. The ratio of Sita's, Riya's and Kunal's monthly income is this. If Riya's annual income is this, what is the sum of Sita's and Kunal's income? In some cases, monthly income is this, while in other cases, annual income is this. Okay. So this is the ratio of monthly income. So what are the name? Sita, Riya and Kunal. The ratio of monthly income is 84, 76 and 89. Clear? If Riya's annual income is this, fine. What is the sum of annual income? Okay. So if see, if this is the ratio, of monthly income, if you multiply by 12, you will be getting the same ratio only. If you this is the monthly income. If you multiply by 12 everywhere, so the 12 will be eliminated. So this is the annual income also. So we can just say this is the ratio of monthly income, or we can say this is the annual income. Now, Riya's annual income is this. Riya's annual income is 76. 76x is representing what? 456,000. What is the sum of Sita's and Kunal's in annual income? So you have to find out this. 9413 carry 173. So you have to find out the value of 173 units. This you have to calculate. So what is the value of 173x? So 456,000 by 76 is equals to 170 into 173. Answer has to be a multiple of 173. I don't find this a multiple of 173. Fine. 4 times of 9, 4 times of 19. And this is what? 4 times of 114,000. Is that a multiple of 19? Yes, it's a multiple of 19. 19 times of what? 19 times of 6. 6,000. So the answer will be 6,000 multiplied by 173. 6,000 multiplied by 173 will be having what? 000 at the end. then 6 into 3, 18, 8,000. So at the end we'll be having 8,000. So that's the answer, 1038,000. Clear? 1038,000. So look for digital sum, look for unit place. That is the, see, today I was solving one previous year RBI questions. In that particular questions, I have seen that 3 to 4 questions were deadly tough. But you can hit and try the options in such cases. That is mandatory that in RBI the question of level will be very tough. Fine. But for that you need to do what? You have to clear your basics first. Then you have to use the logical approach in solving this question. You will be getting ample of time. So there is no rush in that particular question. Fine. So all you need to do is eliminate the options and everything. This kind of pattern, one question was there, but it was in a variable form, not so easy. Means the pattern was exactly the same, the logic was exactly the same. So I'm developing the base of yours of previous year question, and we'll do the practice then. What about this? Solve it. Two numbers are in the ratio. See how to eliminate things. Two numbers are in the ratio of 21 and 26. If 8 is added to is the new numbers are okay, 5 and 6. The new numbers becomes 5 and 6. See, you are adding equal number to both the numbers. This is just the case of ages. The ratio of two persons are this and this. After 10 years or after 15 years, fine. In that case, what can be done is the basic approach is 21x and 26x is the ratio. You are adding 8 to both the numbers, 8 to both the number, and the ratio changes to 5 and 6. From here we will get the both the numbers, right? From here we get the value of x, and hence we get both the number. The logical approach is, sir, if you're adding 8 to both the number, equal increments should be there. So here it's not the equal increment, so it means in that particular case we have to check out the ratio. We have to maintain the uniformity. How to maintain the uniformity in this particular topic? In the pattern of ages, income, expenditure, number system, everywhere we'll be using it. See, the difference of 5 and 6 is 1, so I'm multiplying over here. I'm repeating it. Difference of 5 and 6, I'm multiplying cross. The difference of this is 5, I'm multiplying over here. So this is eliminated. Did I hampered the ratio? No, the ratio is still the same. This is 21 and 26, and even this is in the same ratio because I'm multiplying 5 to each number. So 25 and 30. See, what about the increment now? The number has increased by a unit of 4. Here also 4, which according to the question is 8. So 1 unit will be equals to 2. See how easy the calculation is. Rather than I'm calculating, we have done this. If this would have been already same, so I would not have multiplied. Here we have seen this, the difference is different. So multiplying the difference with the cross method. So multiple of difference of this is 5, I'm multiplying over here. Difference of 5 and 6 is 1, I'm multiplying in cross, that is 1. So 1 unit is 2, so that means both the numbers is 21 into 2, that is 42. And B is what? So B is 26 into 2, that is 52. Fine. So now question, if 6 is subtracted from is, if you subtract 6, this will be 36. Subtract 6, this will be 46. So the ratio will be 18:23. So 18 and 23 will be the answer, which is option number A. Achha, while you were solving by x, you might have got this x is equals to 2. So that same pattern. Clear? Is it clear? Comment, is it clear? Is it clear? So the same pattern we'll be using. See, Grishma, the ratio was 21 and 26, which changes to 5 and 6. Difference of this is 1 unit, I multiplied over here. Difference of this is 5, I multiplied over here. So the ratio becomes this. See, what is the increment? From 21, the number has become 25. A has increased by 4 unit, B by 4 unit. Each has increased by 4 ratio, which according to the question is real increment of 8. So my 4 is representing 8, so my each unit is 2. And if each unit is 2, so A will be 42 and B will be 26 into 2. One needs 2, 2 into 21 and 26, that is this. So this is both the number. So the number, if they would have asked the number, so the number is 42 and 52. So this is both the number. And if sub 6 is subtracted from each, the number will become 36 and 26, which is 18 and 23. Clear? Clear, officers? Is it clear? Audio clear? This is some of the RBI questions. No, sir. What is not clear, Grishma? Tell which part was not clear. If it is not clear, you can do this via basic, na? See? On cross multiplication, we'll be getting x is equals to this. So what is the first number? 2 into 21. That is 42. What is the other number? 26 into 2. That is 52. These are both the number. Eliminate 6 from both. Question has asked if 6 is subtracted. So this will be 36 and 46. The ratio will be 18 and 23. So if you don't want to follow that, you can do this. So A is equals to 21, na? 21, 26. 1 is 2. So 21 into 2 is 42 and 52. So that's the number. अभी तो खाया था. Clear, na, Grishma? Okay. Wow, a beautiful number. Beautiful previous year question. In the income statement of Asha and Ravina, the ratio of their income in the year 2017 was this. So in 2017, so there is a lengthy method also, but what is the approach is, how to do the approach is, so this is Asha and this is Ravina. In 2017, they were having the ratios of income as 5x and 4x. 5x and 4x, we can say 5x and 4x, or 5 ratio 4. Fine. So this is Asha and Ravina. Fine. The ratio of Asha's income in the year 2018 to that of 17 is 3 and 5. So what about 2018's income? So in 2018 to 2018, what about Asha and what about Ravina's income? What about Asha's? So for Asha, it's saying the ratio of Asha's income in 18 to 2017 is 3:5. Fine. If this is 3, this is 5. See, for Asha, the ratio of income of Asha, income of in the year 2018 to 2017. For Asha, 2018 to 2017 is given as 3 and 5. So 2018 to 2017 is given 3 and 5. Fine. So this is blank. We don't know this. Of 2018, we don't know. We don't know about this also. Fine. But it's given for Asha's, the ratio of Asha's income in the year 2018 to that 2017. So 2018 to 2017, the ratio is 3 and 5. This is 18, this is 17. 5 is representing 5x, so 3 will be representing 3x. So this is the income of Asha in 2018. See, 2017 income is 5x. 2018 income of Asha was not known. Question says the income of Asha in 2018 to 15, 18 to 17 is 3 and 5. So this is 3 and this is 5. 5 is equals to 5x. So it is what? X times. So this will also be x times. So this is 3x. Now what about this? Now Ravina's income from year 2018 to 17 is 3 and 2. So this is 3 and this is 2. 2 is representing 4x. So that means 2x times. So this will be representing what? 6x. Fine. So this is the income. So we got the income of Asha and Ravina in 2018. So total income of Asha and Ravina in 2018, है ना? 3:2. If rupees 10242 is the sum of the income of Asha and Ravina in the year 2018. So in the year 2018, the total sum is 9x. In the year 2018, the total sum is 3x plus 6x, that is 9x. See, what is the sum of income? So sum of income of A and Asha and Ravina is 9x, which is equals to 10242. So the value of x will be 9 times of 1 is 9, 9 times of 1 is 9. So 9 times of 1 is 9, 12, 9 times of 1 is 9, 34, 9 times of 3 is 27. So 1138. So x is equals to 1138. What is asked? Find the income of Ravina in 2017. So income of Ravina in 2017 was 4x. So we have to find out this. 4x will be what? 4 into 1138. 4 into 1138, which will be equal to what? 4552. 4 into 100 will be 1000. So 4552. That is option number E. Option number E. What we have done, see, this was 5x and 4x. This was given. Ratio of Asha's income 2018 to this was 3:5. This was vacant. 5 was representing 5x, so 3 was representing 3x. This was vacant. The ratio was 3 and 2. 2 is representing 4x, double, so this will be double, 6x. We got the ratio is 3x and 6x. Together it's 9x, which is equals to 10242. So x is equals to what? X is equals to 1138. So in 2017, Ravina's income of 4x, that is 4 into that. A beautiful question, right? And see, it's a beautiful method to connect the dots. Connecting dots is important. I just connected it rather than solving. You will be getting in grade B, you will be getting this kind of distinct or maximum minimum questions. Okay. Mark my word, you will be getting questions like this. The average score in an examination The average score in an examination taken by 52 students in a class is 51. So what is the total score? Total score? Total score will be 52 multiplied by 51. 52 when written 50 times will be 52 into 5 will be, make it half, 26 and 260. 2600. And 52 one time will be 52. That is 2652. 52 multiplied by 51 will be 52 50 times will be 2600 and 52 one more time will be 2652. The scores of the best 5 performers are not considered. The average score of the remaining student falls by 3. So how many students are there? Initially it was 52 and now out of 52 you are discarding 3 students, 5 performer. That means now the student is 47. And what is the average now? So average is falls by 3. That means 51 has become what? 48. Fine. So what is the new total? If I see the new total will be 47 multiplied by 48. So take 47 50 times and then remove 2 47s. That will be more convenient. So 47 into 50 is easy. 47 multiplied by 5 is what? 7 into 5 is 35, carry 3. 23. So 2350 and eliminate 247. Double 47 will be what? 47 is 94. So 94 eliminated. So this is 6. 14 minus 9 is 5. 2. 2. Double 256. This is double 256. This is the total of 52 scorers. This is the total of 47. So score of 5 will be 2652 minus of 2256. Is it clear, everyone? Comment, is it clear or not? E, yes. Achha, E, which one? This one or the previous one? Talking about this one or previous one, bacha? Okay. So this is the score of 52 members and this is the score of 47 members. So what is the score of 5 elite members? So that is what? 396. Okay. So all the 5 members, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members are having a total of 396. Now, if none of the first 5 highest scores is below 60, so these are the 5 toppers and they are not below 60, so they can be 60. And if each of the 5 scorers had distinct integral scores, distinct means they are of different scores, distinct integral scores, then find the maximum possible scorer of the topper. So maximum score is 200. So maximum score of the topper, maximum is 200. Okay. So for maximum score, we have to keep the other 4 as minimum. I just want this to be maximum. This will be maximum if this is minimum. And if they are minimum, he will be maximum. So the minimum score I can put as 60. Why 60? Because the question says none of the 5 highest scorers is below 60. Not below 60, so they can be 60. And I can't keep everybody as 60 because they are distinct integral values. Distinct and that to integral. Integral means they should not be in decimal. And distinct. So 60, 61, 62 and 63. So this could be the score. And what about this? What is the addition of this 4 number? So they are what? 60 into 4 is 240, 243, 245, 246. So their score is 246. If there is 246, so it will be 396 minus 246. 246. That is 150. So his maximum score should be 150. And it's not exceeding 200 also. So 150 will be the maximum score of the topper of the class. Is it clear? Check this out and tell me whether it's clear or not. Tanuj, Kashung, Grishma, Kree, Mishra. Is it clear, everyone? Pushpendra, Apurv, clear? Okay. So this is also a variety of coins based question. No, you can't write 67.68 because that is not an integer. Yeah, 67, 68 should be written, but that could be not be, that is not the minimum value. For him to be maximum, there has to be minimum. So I'm taking the minimum value 60, 61, 62, 63. Why I'm not taking all 60? Because they are distinct in nature. Distinct means all are different. And the minimum of this 5 toppers are 61. What is this? A bag contains certain number of coins of different denominations. Fine. A bag contains certain number of coins of different denominations. The ratio of the number of rupees 1 rupee coin and 2 rupees coins is 5 and 7. And the ratio of 2 rupee coin to 5 rupee, 2 rupee to 5 rupee coin to 2 rupee to 5 rupee coin is 7:6. Fine. So 7 and 7 is common. So I can remove this and we can write this as 6. So there are 3 kinds of denominations and the number of coins are given. So which is the maximum number of coins? So 7. But not 7, 7x. 5x, 7x and 6x, and x is HCF. Fine. So coins of 1 rupee and 2 rupees 5 and 7, and coins of 2 rupee and 5 rupees 7:6. Fine. Find the total value of 5 rupee coin if the total value of rupees 1 coins in the bag is 15. Total value of 1 coins is 15. See. Total value of 1 rupee coins is 15. Fine. So if I am considering x, let's say x. So the number of coins of 1 rupee is 5x. If the number of coins of 1 rupee is 5x, so the value of 1 rupee coin will be, even without considering x also we can do. Suppose we have, now I'm converting this into value. 1 rupee coins of 5 coins will be 5 rupees, but question says it's 15. So each unit will be 3 times. Again, I've connected with the 1 rupee, reason being what is given? Total value of 1 rupee coin. So I'm converting into value. 1 rupee of 5 coins will be what? 1 rupee of 5 coins. 1 rupee of 5 coins is 5 rupees, which according to the question is 15 rupees. So each unit is 3. And if each unit is 3, so 5 into 3, 15 coins of 1 rupee. 7 into 3, 21 coins of this. And this is 6 into 3, 18 coins of this. So we got the number of coins. 5 into 3. If 1 rupee coins of 5 coins are there, 15 coins are there, so there will be 15 rupees. So 15 coins, 21 coins and 18 coins. What is, find the total value of rupees 5. So value of rupees 5. Value of rupees 5 coins. So rupees 5 coins is how much? So they are 18 in number. So there are 18 coins, and 18 coins of 5 rupees each will be 90 rupees. So 90 rupees is the value. Is it clear what we have done? See, question has given 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees coins are in the ratio 5, 7 and 6. 1 rupee of coins was 15 rupees in total. So 5 is representing 15. This is 3 times. So that means its number of coins is 3 times. So this will also be 3 times. This will also be 3 times. See, if 1 rupee of 15 coins are there, if 1 rupee of 15 coins are there, we will be having 15 rupees. So 2 rupees of 7 coins means 2 rupees of 21 coins. So they are 21 coins and they are 15 coins. So 15 coins of 1 rupee is 15 rupee, 21 coins of 2 rupees 42 rupees, and 18 coins of 5 rupees 90 rupees. So 90 is your answer. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, officers? So I've converted this into values. A last one. A last question. Concept of income expenditure is important. The ratio of salary of A and B is this, and B and C is this. Ratio of salary of A and B is 5 and 7, and the ratio of salary of B and C is 3 and 5. So B being common, so B has to be same. So multiply by 3, this become 21. Multiply by 7, this will become 21. So ABC, the ratio is, common ratio is 15 ratio, 21 ratio. 21 is, we have made 21, so this is 35. So these are the respective ratios. The salary of A is rupees, this is the ratio of salaries. 15x, 21x, and 35x. Salary of A is this, and C is spent. Okay, salary of A is given. So 15x is equals to 165,000, 1,65,000. So x is equals to what? 15 times of 11 is 165. So x is equals to 11,000. If x is equals to 11,000, so 11,000 into 15, 11,000 into 21, and 11,000 into 35. These are the respective salary. Fine. He's asking about C. What is the salary of C? Salary of C will be 35 times of x. So 35 multiplied by 11,000. Now C spent 28.56%. See, 28.56%. 14.28% is a very known value. That is, it's a root value. 14 by 7%. Is it 1 by 7? It's a root value. If you make it double, it will be this. So double means 2 by 7. So this is 2 by 7. So C spends this much of his salary on rent. How much money is C left with it? Left after expenditure. So C is spending 2 by 7. So if you are spending 2 by 7, means out of 7, if you are spending 2, that means you are left with 5 units. You are spending 2 by 7, means out of 7 you are spending 2, so you are left out with 5 by 7. So this is 5 by 7. So this is the total saving. Achha, what is this? This is the total income of A. I'm not calculating this. So question says, what is the saving? Savings will be what? C spends this much. So how much money is left with C? So C is spending 2 by 7. So out of 7, he spends 2. So that means he is left out with 5 by 7 of his income. Income is 35 into 11,000. 7 times of 5. Answer will be a multiple of 11. So 25 into 11. 275,000. So that's your answer, which is option number D for that. Clear? Very good, Tanuj. Clear? So I have put some of the questions. See, some questions I have left. So this you can try. I have given you the number also. You can put the doubts. See, these questions, some are basic questions. You can try. So this was today's file. So I hope all the questions were understood. So this was ratio and proportion, a very important topic, deadly important. Means it's mandatory that they will be asking you the concept of ratios. Meet you in the next class. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Do comment and rate the session also. Thank you. God bless you all.